Hey everybody, Cam Capital here with another video. This video is going to be on GameStop. So first off, we're going to look at GameStop's options for tomorrow, April 16th. Today's April 15th, Thursday. GameStop closed at 156.44, down 6% on the day. And option interest over here on Yahoo Finance. Left sides are the calls, right sides are put. And you see for the call side, right, so we got basically 13,000 at 150. 9,000 at 160, 10,000 at 165, 9,000 at 170. So looking basically at 150 to 170 range for tomorrow, which is a lot of area of interest. That $20 range right there. And if you look at the put side, sell side, really just 165 down to 150. 150 is a concentrated spot, and we'll see on the daily chart that 150 and 165 area. So 165 for the calls, 150 for the puts. Definitely acted as support and resistance today on the intraday chart. So it could be interesting how volatile GameStop is tomorrow with these options strike prices. So if we hop over to Thinkorswim, here we'll start with the 5-minute chart. You see quite a bit smaller range today here on Thursday on the right, but we pushed to test the new high to stay green on a new candle this week, like AMC. So GameStop and AMC actually decoupled today. So AMC was up I think it was close to 6% as well. GameStop was down 6%. So they decoupled this week, and you see just kind of out of the get-go, flat price action aftermarket yesterday. A little drop pre-market, and then right out of the get-go before the open at 625, try to get through 166, fail, one more test at 166, fail, start selling off, get down to 153, basically form a W pattern, double bottom right here, breakout, pullback, consolidates moving averages, one more test at that 166 level, can't get anywhere to it. All right, so a huge increase of volume at this 11 o'clock hour. That 11 o'clock news, I believe, was Dave Portnoy's Buzz ETF. They added Rocket Company's Gamestop GME to that ETF, so you got a little pump on that. But the bigger news for GameStop today was that their CEO, he had to forfeit a large amount of shares due to performance targets metrics. They're trying to out him anyways. So as they changed plans, but he obviously didn't meet the requirements. But nonetheless, still closed lower on the day. The last hour, sell-off continues. Basically, double top here at 163, pushes down. You see after hours, we're still downtrending under the 9 EMA. Looking forward tomorrow, and from here, I'm going to put the trend line back on for the daily. We'll go out to see that right now. So I've had this rising line of support, so 1 touch, 2 touch, the 3 touch from last Friday, immediately failed it on Monday. Got that bounce off the 78.6 fib level from the swing high, swing low, and then we pushed through the support line yesterday, couldn't get through the 22, and then today, open up, try that 166 level right off the get-go, which is that rising line of support. Now acts as resistance, right? So you go support, break it, a retest of it, acted as resistance today, sold us off. That also, corresponds with 2 moving averages, right? The 9 and the 22, pretty close to that zone as well, acting as overhead resistance. And you'll see here on the volume, pretty significant decrease in volume today. So just daily wise, GameStop here, we do have an inside bar, right? So we had the basically doji hammer, right? Big green candle, wide range here, green, a lot of it body. And then today we have the inside candle between 166 and 153, right? So options, we're concentrated at 150 and 165. So here we have the classic pattern or play I talk about is inside bar play, right? So if we break below low, we're going to short it. If it goes over the top, we're going to go long. That's just a play if you play on a daily time frame. But I think AMC has interesting option spreads right now, especially concentrated around that $10 range. So we could see some fireworks on Friday due to option plays. We haven't really seen that on these Reddit stocks very often. Typically they move a lot on Wednesday, but we'll have to see if that comes into effect today. All right, so obviously first off, if we're going to go higher, we got to get back through that 163 moving average. If we sell off 150, right, basically corresponding with that 50-day moving average. So I honestly wouldn't be surprised tomorrow if it is pretty quiet, right? Like everybody would like to see fireworks on a Friday, make a big swing, but it wouldn't surprise me if we just stay between, range bound between this 9 and the 50 moving average for Friday, and then over the weekend news will come out one way or the other to influence the stock. So here we'll just go to the standard Dev chart. Come on. Oh, I don't want to delete. That's the wrong button. My apologies. Load it. See here, basically where we're at too. So here on standard Dev, basically close above the half deviation mark. So that could act as support for tomorrow to bounce higher off of. We did close above that. That's sitting right now at 155.67. So look to see if that is in play for tomorrow. Go down to the 4-hour chart just for a shorter play. You see here, not really much, right? Cross through neutral. You see, end of the day, a lot of selling volume here from the 4-hour chart. Got us up high. Sellers push us down pretty low. So, this isn't kind of giving you some contradictory information on play, but this pretty bearish day from a 4-hour standpoint. But we'll have to see if things change after our pre-market tomorrow. You never know. So that's what I got for GameStop for you guys. Where do you think the strike price of interest is going to be tomorrow? And how are you playing it? Let me know in the comments. Appreciate you taking time to watch the video. See you in the next one.